All right, what are we doing?
Round 2 of something.
Round 2 of what?
Opening a box.
No.
I don't know.
This is round 785,000 of opening a box.
Wait, what if it breaks just in that? Whoa, that looks really good.
Read me.
Oh, okay.
This is just like America's Next Top Model. What in the world?
Whoa, 20 bones?
That's why I'm here.
If you remember me from a couple of months ago, you will recall a board we dubbed the super strong flash floor board that broke pretty much instantly. Yes, I do remember that. First off, thanks for the free R&D. Revolving door? We quickly realized that flash floor will not bond to fiberglass. We have never used flash floor to do anything other than repair concrete. Same with us.
No, that's not true.
No, we haven't used it yet on that crack out there.
That's true. Can you please repair that hole in the ground? So you helped us learn a few things. Long story short, flash floor. No good for making skateboard, but it's still the best thing for fixing concrete. Okay, to the point, welcome to round 2. Maybe this is like the new series. Give us something you think we cannot break. The machine door. Pass. We decided to try using something else from the flash floor lineup called flash fill. I won't bore you with the details of what it is and all that, but I'll say it's much more flexible and I think it looks pretty cool too. Does it remind you of the mosquito and the amber from Jurassic Park? We added a rebar exoskeleton to keep it more rigid.
Damn, okay.
A rebar exoskeleton
Now they're playing ball.
to keep it more rigid.
It doesn't feel that heavy.
Okay, yeah, the box feels quite light.
Right?
My foot's been broken since the rebar skateboard, so.
This time, I will not dare you to break it, even though I still expect you to try since it is so heavy. We added the attached $20 bill to go to the first person to land a tray flip.
Carlos ain't here.
So let's get this. If no one lands it, put it towards buying Carlos a Jamba Juice.
We're gonna land it.
Since he sported our company swag so well in the last video. Or if someone has time and or is feeling super cool, put it to one of your super awesome Braille shirts and send it my way. Have fun, Drew B from SC, flashfloor.net. That's the shameless plug. P.S. I'm a medium. Hey! You ready?
What up, guys?
Did you go to the same hairstylist?
Yeah, no one.
Oh.
Oh, it's a lot heavier now that it's out of the box.
Really? Oh, wow.
Oh
Okay.
This is awesome.
That's really nice.
Wait, what is this floor? What is this floor? Did you get that? It was an accidental pun.
It is like amber.
That's sick.
That is really
Why
sick.
don't they put a mosquito in the
They
middle?
should.
Oh, this is 100%. This is like easy tray
It's
flip.
tray flippable for sure.
You think it's gonna break?
Watch your stand on it. Just. Can we get like the Jurassic Park theme song playing here for a minute?
Absolutely.
You know, if we moved one of the boxes, it sounds like the T-Rex from Jurassic Park.
I am a little scared. I'm a little nervous. Wow. Okay. Tray flip might be harder than I thought. I wish you would have given us just a kick flip off.
Kickflip off.
Straight to the gram. No. All right. Keep in mind there's crisp 20s on the line soon. Wow.
Yeah, you need some ankle power for that one.
I was scared and then I did it anyways and it worked.
So it doesn't
And
seem
then I
like it's
didn't
gonna
land.
break.
It doesn't seem like it's gonna break.
What is it made out of again?
Floor fill.
Floor fill.
What is that? We have no idea.
What are those?
Great if they sent us some floor fill so we could actually.
Yeah, I just can't do it.
Uh-oh. We have a new challenger.
If $20 is on the line, he's going hard on the tray. Wow.
Oh, man.
What?
It's heavy.
This is for Andy Schrock. Wow.
I told you he was gonna do it.
Okay, Doug, here's the deal. You ready? In the note, he said first person to tray flip. Well, we'll go to Rochambeau.
All right.
I guess Fetty goes last.
Tie. Winner.
Why? Every time I'm last.
Better luck with I like tried to jump before I fully popped it.
Oh no.
I'm worried that it can't even be done at all.
Why can't it be a nollie heel flip?
Everything can be nollie heel flip, Doug. You've proven that. Oh. Why are we singing What If God Was One of Us?
It's the Jurassic Park theme song because it's a Jurassic Park board.
I don't think you got it right.
Yeah, I did. Doug, I thought you were like here for the money.
I need this $20 for foot surgery now.
I'm not even flipping it at all.
I don't need $20 anymore.
Right there and there.
I swear it can be done. Where's Carlos?
That's why you got FPs.
Of course he's okay. You landed on a Tyrannosaurus Rex on your FPs, and you were okay.
Alright, I think I can do it now.
Somebody just needs to land it already.
We
Can't
might
be
just
done.
have to send him a t-shirt at this point.
We might.
I feel like we should take it and slam it as hard as we can against something at the end of this.
All right, Mom. Hold my Letterman jacket. It's impossible. Can't be done. Let's just
yeah?
let Fetty do it. Fetty, just do it.
Ooh, money, money, money.
It's a workout.
Hard.
Is it impossible? Did
No.
we lose?
I felt like I even got good flick on that one.
Come on, Fetty. $20 is on the line. The most impossible tray flip of all time. That rhymed. It's still sick.
I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna try to flick as hard as I can. I missed again.
Like the board is going. The board is right here, and his foot goes like this.
Weird. We're on to you, Flash Floor.
For Jurassic Park!
I know I flipped all the way.
I got electric Heelys in the car.
You got what?
Electric Heelys.
No. Well, do we just send him a shirt?
We will never give up on the tray flip. That's it.
Uh-oh, Aaron's getting intense. He's getting back at us for the first one that we broke.
Not impossible though. It's possible.
Defying the odds of what's edible.
It's really fun to watch you eat for some reason.
I think eating's fun in general.
Yeah, just figure out the flick.
Every time it looks like he's gonna do it.
I know. I just want to focus the board. All right, Fetty, I'll tell you what. If you land it right here, I'll give you $20.
Okay.
Da-da. Da-da-da.
Just try to focus it.
Now tray flip it.
Are you serious? Oh.
Okay, now you can tray flip it.
It's hard to say if we actually broke it or not. That might have been cheating.
I got wheel bite.
Can you land that already?
Ah!
Go fast and commit.
How about go slow and just pop?
It's just like, shh. I like how it's grippy though.
Yeah.
And the truck on it. Dude.
Oh no, what do we do now?
Hang this on the wall.
Wait, you know what's really deadly scary though? What if you fall on this? What if you fall on that?
That is sharpness. Oh.
Land it like that, the 20 bucks is still up for grabs.
Can it be done?
It can be. Maybe. Oh! Does that count?
That fully counts. We did it. You saw it here. The world's most impossible tray flip. Look at how strong this is though. It does make me wonder if it just...
getting pizza tonight.
Look at this. You would think this would like break right up, right?
They just fall. Hell yeah. We need some WD-40 on these puppies. I'm already slowing down. Some triflup.
See how many times you can spin.
Spin contest.
Go front side.
Calling that footwork.
Oh, you
Oh! Doug's the spinner. Doug got like a...
What is that, Faye?
It's beautiful.
All right. Well, just like everything else, Fetty broke it.
Lance was like, Fetty, focus it.
Just like everything else, Lance broke it. Hashtag blame Lance. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think. And check out Flash Floor. We'll leave the description in the description below. Ooh. Check out all the other videos in the You Make It, We Skate It playlist. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Do a tray flip. It can be done.